Hello, my dear parents and my dearest students of Isaac Newton Global School. Myself, Mrs. Sophia Lloyd Diabrio, Principal of Isaac Newton Global School. My dear parents and students, I am very happy and proud to announce that in 3 days, we are going to inaugurate our Organic Come Nature Fest 2026. We all are excited. We teachers, students, we have put in a lot of efforts, and this is a request to you, my dear parents, and to your relatives that you all should come and see the work. The theme for our Organic Fest is Back to Roots. We all should go back to our roots. This is our main theme. So when you come, you will experience the varied culture of our India. Pisciculture, when you will enter into the pisciculture area, you will actually enter into the sea and experience the various types of fishes. When you enter the organic farm, you will actually get to see the various types of plants. When you enter into the honey hive, you will get to see honeybee with varieties, more than 52 types of honeys. So it's my ardent request to all of you, please do come on 2nd and 3rd January, visit the school and experience the educational tour. Thank you and see you all after 2 days.